Hey guys, so it's the time of the day, removing makeup. Oh god, I'm so lazy, like I hate this time but I have to because I just know so well what happens if I don't remove makeup and just go to sleep. So first of all, tie your hair back and fold over the sleeve because I don't want my sleeves get wet. I just got this one from my friend and thought I'd be trying this one out. It's from Neutrogena Hydraboost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. Boosts hydration for soft, supple skin. Effectively removes makeup and impurities. And it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is good for moisturizing. This lightweight gel transforms into a silky lather that effectively lifts away dirt, oil, and makeup. With hyaluronic acid, the formula is clinically proven to increase skin's hydration level and lock it in, leaving skin refreshingly clean and touchably supple every time you cleanse. It says soap-free, oil-free, paraben-free. So its description is very tempting. It seems like it's going to remove all this makeup I'm having on my face and keep my skin moisturized. Direction: wet face. Apply hands, add water, and work into a lather. Massage face gently, rinse thoroughly. So, the first step I should do is wet my face. I am using lukewarm water. You know what I don't like about this bottle is that the length of this dispensing part is really short. You have to hold it like this and try to pump it like this. Otherwise, if you just have it stand alone and just push it, then the gel will flow all over the bottle. That's something I don't like. So I should add some water and so it's a soap free, but it kind of works as soap, right? From what I see from the mirror, it no, like it's actually removing the makeup because I can still see the color of blush, and I am keep rubbing my cheeks. And let's do the eyes. I'm just going to wash it through. I think I did enough, right? I can't see anything right now. So, my beloved waterproof mascara is still here and not being smudged, as you can see. That's why I love it. But when it comes to this time, like yes, it doesn't go away easily. So pros and cons. It seems like it removed most of my makeup, but it is not removing this waterproof mascara. But it did remove my waterproof eyeliner, which actually was kind of water-based. The eyebrows are gone, lips are gone, and blushes, I think blushes are gone too. The pro, it seems like it's removing most of makeup, but con is that I actually put lots of effort to rinse this out. It still feels slippery because it feels like not everything is gone away, not everything been rinsed out. So I don't like that feeling, so that's the con. So does this one perfectly remove all the makeup? No, because it doesn't work on this waterproof mascara. It's maybe because this mascara is good, maybe because this is not as much as effective to remove it. Because actually there's eye makeup remover that removes this mascara. I mean, yes, it does take a little bit more of the time than removing like regular mascara, but it does remove. But this one didn't. I don't know. So I kind of feel like I need another wash with the foam cleanser. I don't know, is it because I use it wrong, or I don't really like this feeling something is being left over my skin, because as you can see, I easily get breakouts, so I don't want any impurities being left over under my skin. This was the review on this Hydraboost. Oh my god, my face is getting dry. I need to do the toner. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.